So I'm Wanda. I head marketing in Tonik Bank.
Hi, Patrick Beltran from Tonik Digital Bank, Head of Activation. I'm basically handling customer lifecycle, customer value management, and CRM.
Hi, I'm Leanne Tobias. I'm the deputy head for marketing. Deputy head, so basically deputize. No, just kidding. It's so SEO, all of the internal content marketing, also internal communications, because we're very big on customer centricity. So we align everything that we send out. So brand wise, the customer really feels that it's us that's talking to them, whether it be collections talking to them, like sending them out a reminder. So we also align all communications, basically.
So Tonik is a digital bank. We are the first licensed by the BSP, and we are an independent digital bank. By digital bank, no brick and mortar. Everything is done online. We have our loans, deposits, payments, and both are online and physical debit cards. In Tonik, as a digital bank, we get a wealth of data, and it's important for us to be able to sift through this data and create personalized banking experiences. A platform like MoEngage helps us with customer engagement, with remarketing and retention strategies, and it helps us with smart and automated campaigns, because it's through these campaigns that we're able to cater to our customer base in a more personalized approach. And that's what Tonik is about, seamless banking experience. Here in Tonik, we go through a strict tender process. We call it a tender process, wherein we gauge our potential partners via not just cost, but also full efficiency in terms of how they can help us get and deliver to our business objectives. So MoEngage definitely tick the buckets for cost efficiency, features that's going to be able to help us reach our objectives, and strong support system. So the fact that there is a person assigned for us, so that in case we have problems, etc., that makes the whole experience just more seamless. And that's why we chose MoEngage.
Currently, there are 3 departments who are using MoEngage: growth marketing, operations, and collections.
Right, so I guess we can categorize that, right? So for growth marketing, of course, there's engagement. It helps with the whole customer lifetime value that we want to build. For sales, of course, it's like the full funnel conversion. Like if we are able to send out those communications on a timely manner, and then be able to remind them. Of course, there's remarketing, right? So we want them to have the repeat purchase. In our case, since we have the account on the bank app, it's active usage. That's how it translates. And then for operations and collections, it's the same metrics that we're after. Of course, also there's engagement. And what's very important on the operations end, it's really sending out those advisories and those reminders. The usual channels, right? For example, EDMs. I think for me, as a person in content marketing who also does the blogs, I find that like the most useful as well. It's a chance for us to showcase not just like Tonik's branding, but our sense of humor, and we get to link them back, right, to our pages. And then there's push notifications, which is really the easiest way to sell, for example, like a promo, to bug our users, or even like remind them, for example, to beat the heat, things like that, to care for our customers with a push notification. There's SMS, of course, still, right, for our target base. SMS still is the best effective way to communicate. And in-app, because I guess for me, also as a very, I would say, a techie user, the in-app interstitial banners and stuff like that is also a fun way, right, to have a KB there, a key visual, and then communicate with your customers.
So currently, we use MoEngage Analytics for us to determine the customer behavior in our app. Part of it would be where our customer drops off, where can we be much better in terms of communicating things to our customer. For segmentation, we are currently using MoEngage segmentation for us to properly and be relevant with our communications towards our customers' behavior. As an example, for segmentation, For our customers who would not finish our registration process, we can communicate relevant communication depending on their behavior where they stopped on a specific screen in our app. So for MoEngage Flows, basically, we heavily use this in automating our campaigns, whether it be for sales, for remarketing, or for basically guiding our customers on how to properly use our app.
We were sending through like multiple platforms, and I think the biggest pain point for us was that we couldn't get the analytics real time. We had to wait for quite some time. So now, like with MoEngage, we can actually properly measure. And then at the same time, right, like when we need the numbers, we're able to get it, we're able to extract, and then we're able to understand the customer journey. Where are their pain points? Are they actually like opening that? Like what content are they actually resonating with? So that's right, we keep on sending that type of content. So it's really the full customer journey, that we're seeing.
We banked on MoEngage for time to market. On a traditional setting, it would take hours before we can launch any campaign. But with MoEngage, we can do a campaign on an average of 10 minutes for a full execution, coming from creation, testing, and the full launch of it. So what we're most excited with MoEngage, basically all the functionalities are great, but the flexibility of the platform plus its people and their drive to push us and to help us overcome our current challenges. A good example would be a server-to-server customer data upload, wherein we can marry outside data to the current data of MoEngage so that we have a granular customer behavior which helps us address the customer's needs. MoEngage delivers customer success and support amazingly. Definitely, it's not just the platform, but even the people within MoEngage. They do help us try to scale the business, and they give best practices, not just within the country, but even in other countries and other industries that we may localize in our current industry.
If I would recommend MoEngage, of course, number one, it's the efficiency. You cannot keep on paying to like get repeat usage. I think maybe back in the day when I was new in marketing, social media was so cheap. It no longer is, right? Like digital ad spend is so expensive. You really have to go for a platform that allows you to reach your customers that you already have. It's cheaper to really activate like your current customers than spending for new ones, like new acquisitions. It's cost efficiency, but I also know that like working with MoEngage with your customer support is really good. Like whatever Patrick needs or our dev team needs, I know that you guys are able to like talk it through and then deliver.
For companies who would like to deliver much faster, who wants to actually understand their customers, I highly recommend for them to try use MoEngage.
For those businesses who are looking for a customer engagement solution, I would definitely recommend MoEngage. It's been such a seamless and smooth experience with them, and